Nirav, coming to you first for your high risk and low risk bets from a trading standpoint.
Looking at the markets, markets have actually really rallied up to about 13,000 levels. So there is no low risk bet at this point of time. They're all medium term risk, medium risk. But there are certain breakouts that are coming. The first stock that I'm going to give is a breakout stock. It's a buy on CAMS, CAMS. It has given a breakout about 1350 levels. It has just listed about 6-7 weeks back, but a breakout has come above the 1350 levels and a volume breakout at that. I believe this stock is likely to go up towards the 1440, 1450 odd levels. So one should be buying at current levels. Keep a stop loss of 1350, which is a very good support area, and buy for those targets. The second stock is notoriously UPL. See, it is one of the highest losers today. But while making a low of 400 about a couple of weeks back, the volumes there were very high, and that is why I believe UPL at current level should be bought. It is near the support levels. I don't think this 400 level will be broken on a closing basis, and that is why UPL should be bought at current levels. Mind you, the stop loss should be placed at 399, but this is a closing basis stop loss. That means the stock needs to close below the 399 levels, only then exit the stock. I believe the stock is likely to come up towards the 450, 460 odd levels, but 1 to 2 day targets are around 435, so buy for that target, and 399 should be the stop loss.
Okay, thanks for that, Nirav. So CAMS and UPL both looking fairly decent with medium risk. Good morning, Shaina. What's on your radar? Do you have any low risk ones, or are you also looking at all medium risk given that the market's a bit toppish right now?
So I will start with the slightly higher risk, but I won't call it high risk. I would say since it's a small cap, it should form part of a portfolio of an investor who has slightly a higher risk appetite. So the first one would be Globus Spirits. There, I think the whole spirit segment is doing pretty well in the last couple of weeks. We've seen in the last quarter the actual revenues that have come in have been pretty strong. The market is picking up very well. For Globus, actually, you had Rajasthan, you had some of the North Indian states that have really contributed well to a good, strong growth in sales. So the overall revenue growth was 20%. But what I really like about the performance was the growth, the performance on the EBITDA margin. The EBITDA margins actually expanded from about 10% plus to 18% plus. And this resulted in a EBITDA doubling. So to an extent, with a doubling of EBITDA, I think the valuations at current levels become extremely attractive. Also, with the balance sheet pretty strong, I think it makes a good medium to longer term play.